pure Sonamgi silk saree, 3-ply quality. A very beautiful hand painted silk, very elegant, modern artistic paint here. The pallu is Meera concept. You can see the very elegant hand paint. Not directly given, but we can see a Ganesha as well. Ganesha face, a Parvati concept actually. Blue and light blue and half white are used for the colors, and the base of the saree is red here with the royal blue color blouse piece. The saree is very elegantly done. The concept of the saree is beautifully done here. And here the saree is in Prussian blue. You can see the difference, mild difference between the blouse and the saree. Completely Prussian blue color, plain saree here. Excellently hand painted, beautiful work with authentic silk. Pure Sonamgi silk saree. A very beautiful 3-ply quality, beautiful sarees in a hand painted version. Very beautiful pallu. Here we have the Ganesha in the pallu. Beautiful Ganesha sitting on his mother's lap. Very beautiful hand painting here. The colors used are also very beautiful. It's festive season. Here we have the little Ganesha in the pallu, and we have plain black blouse piece. The saree is a beautiful white, half white color, creamy half white, with the temple kind triangle designs in both sides, hand painted with multiple colors. Very elegant saree, excellently hand painted with authentic silk. Pure Sonamgi silk saree, 3-ply quality, premium one, hand painted. A very beautiful pallu here on a yellowish green color base. We have a floral, a flower, hibiscus kind flower. Very big painting, beautifully done with a red blouse piece, plain red. We have a very beautiful designing in the body as well. You can see the top portion is completely green, and lower we have half white with completely batik printed. And we also have the design, hand painted design in the top pleat. The lower pleat is completely a vertical line stripes pattern in multiple colors. Very beautiful saree, excellent design with authentic silk. Pure Sonamgi silk saree, 3-ply quality, a very beautiful Sonamgi hand painted silk, lightweight and easy to carry saree in a beautiful hand painted version. Here we have a beautiful lady design, hand painted Rajasthani lady. Backdrops also on the desert concept. Blue, royal blue is used for the hand painting here, and as well as the blouse piece is also in royal blue. The saree is done in 3 beautiful colors, mainly the pallu, base, yellow and light blue and dark blue. And here we have the copper sulphate blue color at the top. Pure Sonamgi silk saree, 3-ply quality, premium one, batik printed and hand painted designs on pure Sonamgi silk. A very beautiful triangular pallu here. Excellent design on white base saree, batik printing done using mustard and brown in the saree, and we have triangle pattern with multiple colors and floral hand paint version, and we have a plain black blouse piece one side, 2 lines in white. It's a very different saree. The concept goes very differently. Dark pleats near the chest, we have the hand paint version, and again the feet part, the lower feet design have hand painting design. Very beautiful one. You can see differently done, very elegant and classy with authentic silk work. Pure Sonamgi silk saree, a very beautiful hand painted, excellent silk, a soft and lightweight, easy to carry silk here with a pallu, a completely hand painted one. Very beautiful pallu it is. You can see a instruments playing pattern, male and 3 females playing the instruments and dancing. Completely hand painted pallu this with multiple colors, and base color is given here with mustard yellow and a brown color. Starting up the pallu, we have the beautiful West Bengal Durga face design. We also have the body, the same pattern. Here we have the base colors of the saree in cream and yellow, as well as we have browns. Very beautiful hand paint here with a Blouse piece in a very contrast yellow shade. Completely plain blouse piece in yellow. Excellent saree, very beautiful artwork with authentic silk. Pure Sonamudi silk saree, 3-ply quality, very beautiful hand painted design. Here we have a black saree with black pallu, very elegantly hand painted fish pattern, the colorful fishes with batik concept as well. And we also have the grey hand paints used all over the saree. And we have a bluish grey color blouse piece, contrast one with one side border design, just painted. Lightweight and easy to carry, beautiful silk, completely in black with the grey and white spots. And we have beautiful fish pattern, completely hand painted in the lower half. Elegant saree, excellently hand painted with authentic silk. Pure Sonamudi silk saree, a hand painted beautiful design. Here we have a very beautiful black saree with black pallu. Black is bringing the colors in a very excellent way. A beautiful drawing in the painted version in the pallu. Blue flower, a big blue flower. And we have plain blouse piece in same black. The leaves are painted in very different colors. And the body as well, we have the pink flower as well as a big blue flower with the Kodi designs all over. It's completely hand painted and a very beautiful modern design, elegantly done with authentic silk.